Today start a new lecture. Heating with copper. Alcohol heating with the copper or reaction with the copper. Look here, this reaction is dehydrogenation reaction. What is by dehydrogenation reaction? The removal of hydrogen gas from alcohol molecules. This reaction is called as a dehydrogenation reaction. Look here, dehydrogenation reaction, this reaction is also called as oxidation reaction. This reaction also called as oxidation reaction. Look here, reaction with copper, a primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, a different condition. Everybody, in case of primary alcohol, in case of secondary alcohol, in case of tertiary alcohol, there are the different products is form a reaction with the copper. Look here, the first reaction primary alcohol. First reaction primary alcohol. Correct? Look here, simple reaction, a general when primary alcohol are CH2OH. Primary alcohol. When vapors of primary alcohol is passed on heated copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. Actually, look here, reaction is oxidation reaction. Reaction is an oxidation reaction. Why? Look here, everybody, dehydrogenation, a removal of hydrogen gas is called as oxidation, and addition of oxygen also called as oxidation. In this reaction, a removal of hydrogen gas means here R, next C, next H, name of the compound, it gives the corresponding aldehyde. Corresponding aldehyde, correct? Plus H2 gas. Plus H2 gas, correct? Look here, when a vapors of primary alcohol passed on heated copper at a 573 Kelvin temperature, it gives corresponding aldehyde. What is this? This is the oxidation reactions. Look here, a primary alcohol convert into aldehyde. The reaction with the copper, by the reaction, a dehydrogenation reactions. Dehydrogenation reaction, that is the oxidation reactions. Look here, next example, a ethyl alcohol. Next example, ethyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, ethyl alcohol. CH3, CH2. What is this ethyl alcohol? When vapors of ethyl alcohol passed on a heated copper at 573 Kelvin temperature, it gives CH3, COH, name of the compound, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, correct? Yes. Look here, repeat. When vapors of ethyl alcohol passed on a heated copper at a 573 Kelvin temperature, it gives acetaldehyde. Simple meaning, primary alcohol convert into aldehyde. A reaction with copper. Okay, oxidation reaction. Look here, a third reaction, all of you, third reaction. Next, N-propyl alcohol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, N-propyl alcohol. When vapors of N-propyl alcohol passed on a heated copper at 573 Kelvin temperature, it gives CH3, okay, CH3, CH2, COH, name of the compound propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Plus H2 gas. Explanation of this reaction, when vapors of N-propyl alcohol passed on heated copper at a 573 Kelvin, it gives propionaldehydes. Correct? This is the oxidation reaction, means dehydrogenation reaction. Okay? A general primary alcohol convert into aldehyde, a reaction with the copper. Reaction with copper. What is this? This is the reaction of the primary alcohol. Correct? Okay. Look here next. Next is the secondary alcohol. Next is the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol general reaction, secondary alcohol R, CH, OH are secondary alcohol. What is this? This is the vapors of secondary alcohol is passed on a heated copper at the temperature 573 Kelvin. Same temperature. It gives corresponding R, COR. Name of the compound ketone. Correct? Plus evaluation of H2 gas. Evaluation of H2 gas. Look here vapors of a secondary alcohol passed on heated copper. Passed on heated copper. What is this? This is the copper. At the temperature 573 Kelvin, it gives corresponding ketone. In general, a secondary alcohol into ketone. What is this? Dehydrogenation reaction. Dehydrogenation, a removal of hydrogen gas. A removal of hydrogen gas. Also, this reaction is called as a oxidation reactions. Correct? Look here, example. A specific example, simple, when isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, CH3, CHOH, CH3, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. When vapors of isopropyl alcohol passed on heated copper at 573 Kelvin temperature, it gives CH3, CO, next is the CH3. Name of the compound, acetone. IUPAC names, propianone. O-N-E, propianone. Look here, expression of this reaction here. Look here, vapors of a isopropyl alcohol passed on heated copper. At the temperature, a 573 Kelvin, it gives acetone. IUPAC names of the propianone. किती सिंपल पार्ट आहे मला सांगा. ऑक्सिडेशन रिएक्शन ज्या पद्धतीने स्टडी केला त्याच पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी आपण रिएक्शन स्टडी करत आहात. करेक्ट. या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन्स आपल्याला कसा विचारला येईल. These questions will be asking examinations. What is the action of the copper on isopropyl alcohol at the temperature 573 Kelvin? Correct? Yes. Look here, this is secondary alcohol. Look here, a third, next example, a secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. Simple secondary butyl alcohol. 1 minute. CH3, CH, OH, CH2. Next, the CH3. IUPAC names of the compound. Butane. Okay, butane 2OL. Vapors passed on heated copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. It gives, okay, CH2. Next, the CH3. Common name, ethyl methyl ketone. IUPAC names, okay, butane. Correct? 2ONE. Butane 2ONE. Secondary alcohol convert into ketone. Secondary alcohol convert into ketone. Correct? What is this? This is the dehydrogenation reaction. Look here. A third reaction, tertiary alcohol. Third reaction, tertiary alcohol. Third point. Tertiary alcohol. Yes. Tertiary alcohol. Look here. When tertiary alcohol, direct specific example, when tertiary alcohol here, CH3, CH3, OH, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol, vapors is passed on heated copper. Passed on heated copper at the temperature a 573 Kelvin. Look here, in case of tertiary alcohol, look here, reaction undergoes dehydration but not dehydrogenation. This reaction undergoes dehydration, means remove the water. Dehydration. Look here, dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water, correct? Minus H2O, like this. Look here, it gives product here, isobutylene compound, CH3, CH3, double bond, CH2 plus H2O. What is this? Isobutylene. Isobutylene, correct? Yes. Look here, in case of primary alcohol, in case of a primary alcohol on dehydrogenation to form a corresponding aldehyde. Look here, in case of secondary alcohol on dehydrogenation to form a corresponding ketone compounds. Both reaction undergoes oxidation. Why? The dehydrogenation reactions. Primary alcohol, a dehydrogenation reaction. Secondary alcohol, dehydrogenation reaction. Both reaction undergoes a oxidation reaction. But in case of a tertiary butyl alcohol, do not undergoes, everybody, okay, dehydrogenation or oxidation reaction, also undergoes a dehydration reaction to form a corresponding alkene. Means a primary alcohol convert into aldehydes. Secondary alcohol convert into ketone. Next, a tertiary alcohol convert into alkene. Convert into alkene by the reaction hitting with the copper or reaction with the copper. Reaction with copper, correct? Yes. Look here. All the reaction, everybody, all chemical reaction completed. सर्वची सर्व हे केमिकल रिएक्शन कंप्लीट झालेल्या आहेत. हा, सर्व डिटेल तुम्हाला मी केमिकल रिएक्शन तर मी सर्वचे सर्व तुम्हाला दिल्या गेलेल्या आहे. Look here, next, uses of alcohols. Last point, uses of alcohols. Uses of alcohols. Look here, first point, methyl alcohol. First point, methyl alcohol. Look here, a first use of methyl alcohol, it is used as a fuel. It is used as a fuel. First point, it is used as fuel, methyl alcohol. Look here, a second point, anti-freeze agent for atom boils. Anti-freeze agent for atom boils. Okay. Look here, in cold countries, everybody, in cold countries, anti-freeze agent. And third point, it is used for the solvent for oils, fats, gums, resins, etc. Also a good solvent here. Methyl alcohol. Next, the next point, the nature of ethyl alcohol. Everybody look here, the nature of ethyl alcohol means unfit for drinking. Look here, a ethyl alcohol also used for a manufacture of or preparation of different wines, beers, okay? But all the material unfit for drinking means add the methyl alcohol, the natural of alcohol. The natural of alcohol. Next, a methyl alcohol used for preparation of a large organic compounds. Used for a large organic compounds. Look at next point. A methyl alcohol used for preparation of perfumes. It is used for in the varnishes. Used for a varnishes or the perfumes. What is this all? What is this? This is the, everybody, uses of methyl alcohol. Uses of methyl alcohol. Okay, second uses ethyl alcohol. Second uses ethyl alcohol. Correct? Like this. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Okay. Look here. A first uses of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol used for the fuel. Look here, a mixture of, everybody, a mixture of petrol and the ethyl alcohol. 20% of ethyl alcohol add in the petrol. Also used for is a fuels of the motors. Fuels of, everybody, a fuels of the automobiles, vehicles. Okay? Yes. Next point, a ethyl alcohol used as in thermometers. Ethyl alcohol used in thermometer. Why? In low freezing point. Low freezing point. Ethyl alcohol कशासाठी वापरतील? लो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट मुळे आपल्याला कशामध्ये वापरतात? हे थर्मामीटर मध्ये वापरला जातो. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, लुक हियर, इथिल अल्कोहोल युज्ड फॉर ए डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ टॉनिक्स, ब्युरेज. Different types of the tonics means a beverage. Look here, next point, a ethyl alcohol used for a mobile fuels. Used for a mobile fuel. Next point, ethyl alcohol used for a kill microorganisms, means wood surface. Kill the microorganisms on the a wood surface. Next point, look here, a ethyl alcohol used for preparation of aldehydes, acetic acids, next ethers, next iodoform, chloroform, tincture iodine, and etc. What is this? This is the uses of ethyl alcohol. Okay, a complete the uses of methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Okay, stop here.